everyone, just would like to show you how I done this hairstyle. It take no time to do. It's just an overlap with a little bun at the bottom of the hair, and you can do it for any occasion and on yourself. It take no time to recreate. Come and let me show you how I done it. First, I spray the hair with a little bit of hairspray just to hold it down a bit. Take a little section of the crown of the head and then tie that into a ponytail. Just pull it down stiff. Then I use a little bit of texture spray, pinch and pull the crown a little bit. Next, I'm going to take a little section of the right side, smooth it out and tie that into a elastic band, pin that away, and then I do the left side, bring that over onto the right side, smooth it out first, then tie that into with a little elastic band, pin that nice and secure. Repeat the same thing on the right side again, bring that over to the left side, pin that away nicely, take another section off the left, bring that over, pin that away, take another section off the right, bring that over to the left, and the left again, bring that over to the right. Then spray and pinch and pull the crown again just to spread it out a little bit. Then we're going to split the section at the bottom of the ponytail into three, like if we're doing a simple pleat to it. Split that into three, and then we're going to bring the left side into the middle and then the right side into the middle. We do that all the way down to the bottom of the hair. When we finish that section, we just tie it away with an elastic band. Then spray with some texture spray and pinch and pull it out just to give it a bit more volume to it. Make it nice and big, entirely up to you. Look, and then it looks something like this. Then we just roll it on the top of the pleat, bring it all the way to the bottom, and then bring it over a little bit to the left hand side, and then you pin it away nice and secure with loads of bobby pin, well, as much as you need. Spray it with some texture spray, pinch and pull it out a little bit just to make it a bit more bigger. And that was the finished look. If you like this hairstyle, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorial. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.